Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. If you are trying to delete, move, or modify a shared file inside Microsoft Teams and you are suddenly blocked by error 6009, I will show you exactly how to fix this annoying file lock issue right now. Let's get started. First, it is important to understand that Microsoft Teams stores all of its files using SharePoint and OneDrive in the background. Error code 6009 almost always means the file is currently locked because another member of your team has it open on their computer, or your own browser still has it running in a hidden background tab. Reach out to your colleagues to make sure nobody is actively viewing the document, and close any open Office applications on your own desktop before trying to delete the file again. Next, if nobody is using the file and it is still completely stuck, your local Teams app might have a corrupted cache holding on to a phantom lock. Press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open your Run dialog box. Type exactly %appdata %Microsoft\Teams and press Enter. When this folder opens, simply select every single file and folder inside and hit Delete. This forces Microsoft Teams to completely refresh its synchronization with the cloud the next time you open the app, which often clears the false file lock instantly. Finally, if you have your Teams files synced directly to your local computer through the Windows File Explorer, the actual OneDrive Sync Client might be the application keeping the file locked. Press the Windows key and the R key again to open the Run box. Type exactly %localappdata %OneDrive\OneDrive.exe /reset and hit Enter. Your OneDrive Cloud icon will disappear from your bottom taskbar for a minute or two before restarting itself. Once it comes back online, it will resync your entire library from scratch, bypassing error 6009 and allowing you to finally manage or delete your files. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.